Power outages are spontaneous, happening in an instant. The cause is always different and sometimes even surprising. The Brownsville Public Utilities Board is the utility providing water, wastewater, and electricity services to the community. To provide these services, BPUB relies on its dedicated employees. Today we're going to take a look and see how several departments collaborate around the clock to restore service and also what they do to inform the public when a power outage occurs. Power outages can be caused by many circumstances. Storms accompanied by heavy wind and lightning are major causes of power outages. However, people, trees, and animals can also cause the power to go out. During peak migration seasons, birds like to rest in the same areas around the city, and this may cause an issue for surrounding neighborhoods and venues. Tree damage is the second most common cause of power outages. Trees falling on power lines or tree limbs coming into contact with power lines are frequent causes of outages, even in good weather. Vehicles coming into contact with utility poles are also a common cause of power outages. Sometimes equipment failures, such as transformers or at substations, may cause interruptions to electric flows. So who takes care of the issue?
As BPUB customers report problems with their electric service, the Energy Control Center operator is responsible for dispatching crews to the affected area. We are also responsible for keeping other departments informed of current outages so that they can keep the public informed.
Once we are notified of an outage, Energy Control calls us, gives us the location, and we look for the issue. Once we identify the problem, we fix it to try to bring power back as quickly and safely as possible to our customers.
As key account representatives, we communicate any updates regarding their current outages that affect our large and critical accounts, such as manufacturing, school districts, first responders, and hospitals. Our goal is to maintain open communication lines with our customers before, during, and after an outage, or any other matter concerning their utilities.
The Communications and Public Relations Department also ensures that the local media and residents are aware of the situation. The communication starts in the Energy Control Department and then is filtered into the community through all of us.
Not only does BPUB generate some of its own power, but we have the capability to resolve issues in a short amount of time because we're located locally right here. If you'd like to learn more about BPUB's power generation, you can visit our website or give us a call. On behalf of the Brownsville Public Utilities Board, I'm Ryan Greenfeld. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.